Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Rismatun Uyun. My name 211230097. Today I'm going to tell you the story of Malfunction. Actually, Malfunction is a good fairy. He meets Stephen, a poor farmer child, had no mother's fathers. Different nations, but both of them fall in love. In short, Malfunction could not forget his first love, Stephen. While the ruling king was hostile and wanted to conquer the nation of Moors, his nation Malfunction was dying. He is willing to give the throne and make him daughter-in-law who can conquer Malfunction. Well, among the prospective, here the throne of Stephen, who knows the weakness of Malfunction and knows where to meet. Stephen knows Malfunction will be weak when touching iron, but it's not the target. Stephen utilizes Malfunction, which is launching, and makes it a victim to get the throne of the decided power. Achievement? Yes, he did, but Stephen didn't realize that at the time he was Dark Eyes. His ambitious act is not only planting heritage seeds, but also leave a revenge that threatened his son 60 years later, namely Aurora. Just like other classical stories, a dozen years later Malfunction reunited with Stephen and his family, not to refer to aka Peace, but to take a moment of revenge. Malfunction came to condemn Aurora, he said. I too have a gift to bestow on the child. No, Malfunction was not going to give her blessing, but instead she was going to curse her before the sun sets or on her 60th birthday. She shall break her finger on a spinning wheel and die. And suddenly she disappeared. All the entire kingdom as well as the king and queen were shocked and saddened. The queen begged to the fairies please withdraw this curse, and at that Malfunction later regret. Truly, Malfunction fall in love with the innocence and cuteness of little Aurora. But what can I do? He can undo his own cures. A group of other good-natured fairies deserted the cures by making Aurora's long sleep cure stop when she caught a kiss from a prince. Aurora's cuteness makes Malfunction melt and fall in love, especially when Aurora said she wants to be a part of the Moors. Aurora finally knows her true identity. Before her 60th birthday, Aurora came to the palace, and King Stephen was not pleased with his daughter Rival. What he has is even more severe stress. During the waiting period of 60 years, he thought hard about how to incapacitate Malfunction. Aurora then looked in a room, but finally he was able to get out of the room where he was locked up. Aurora finally found the spinning machine. Then the cures happened. While Aurora was sleeping, the kind-hearted fairies were desperately looking for Philip. Philip is a prince that it turned out it was the guy that Aurora met years ago in the forest, so he tried to approach her and kiss, and her Aurora wakened. All the entire kingdom was cheering up, and they were so happy until the prince and Princess Aurora they became lovers and they lived happily family. Okay, why I like this movie? Because in this movie there are many spectacular shifts in the logic of the story that are already common, and many other interesting things. The best scene that I like most is a moment a day came a prince from a long distance came to that kingdom. The fairies realized that it might be her true love, but it turns out it was the guy that Aurora met years ago in the forest, so he tried to approach her and kiss her, and Aurora awakened. All the entire kingdom was cheering up, and they were so happy until the prince and princess Aurora they became lovers, and they lived happily ever. And finally, is the moral message contained in Maleficent the movie is the evil one is not always evil. There are times when he can melt because he is touched for simple things. On the other hand, if the dark eyes of the whisper make a person captured by ambition and greed, he justifies all means, and it is very difficult to awaken him. Thank you.